Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today with this fantastic 2-bedroom end terrace property located over on Blantyre Street, just situated within Winton Village, perfectly positioned between the ever popular Monton and Worsley villages, where you've got excellent amenities including bars, shops, restaurants, or just a short walk from where we are. Now this beautiful home has been fully renovated since 2018, while the current owner has lived in the property. Done to a fabulous standard throughout. This beautiful fitted kitchen dining space, integrated appliances, the induction hob, got the dishwasher, fridge freezer, all of this bespoke storage. And then just behind me is this incredible utility room, which then seamlessly flows into this really nice, spacious, modern shower room. Now, as we head to the first floor, you've got two well-proportioned double bedrooms. Lovely and bright. It's a really nice, quiet street. You've just got Cleveland's racetrack and some lovely scenic walks, taking you down Salford Portway. Leading to much further afield. So the master position to the front, as you can appreciate, the real decent size here. And then continuing into the second bedroom, another generous double bed with further storage. Now, as we come out to the rear of the property, there's a well-kept courtyard, along with a garage, offering further storage solutions or equally car storage, as well as an additional garden to the rear. This lovely Indian stone. You've got the paved border, gated access, so you do benefit from the sun out here also. And then gated access taking you out onto the garage and the additional garden space. As you can see with the neighbouring properties, they have partitioned this off to create further off-road parking, as well as the addition of the garden, which is lovely and quiet. There's nothing at all behind you with the trees and fields. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this beautiful home, please do give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.